solve 27x cube minus 27x square plus 4 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x square term. What I mean is, see, 27x cube in place of minus 27x square. Now I write minus 18x square minus 9x square plus 4 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is 9x square. So here you get 3x minus from this 9x square out you get 2. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is minus 1. Here you get 9x square and here you get minus 4 equal to 0. Now this quadratic, I will simplify it here. That is 9x square minus 4 equal to. Now in place of 9 I write 3 square x square minus in place of 4 2 square. So 3 square x square is nothing but 3x whole square minus 2 square. The reason for us to change this to this form is on this now we should apply the formula a square minus b square. That is a minus b times a plus b. In place of a 3x, in place of b 2. So we get 3x minus 2 times 3x plus 2. Now in place of this quadratic we should write this over here. So this equation becomes 9x square 3x minus 2 minus 1 in place of this one 3x minus 2 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Next, what can be taken out common from this equation is 3x minus 2. So 3x minus 2 outside. Over here we are left with 9x square. And over here we are left with these two, that is minus 1 times 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Now 3x minus 2, 9x square, you open up the brackets in this way, you get minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Now this quadratic, I will factorize it here, that is 9x square minus 3x minus 2. To factorize this, we should split the middle term minus 3x. So in place of minus 3x, now I write minus 6x plus 3x minus 2. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is 3x. So here we get 3x minus from this 3x out you get 2. Whatever we got here, here also we should get the same thing. From this 3x gone inside, so outside we get plus 1. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out 3x minus 2 common. So here you have 3x and here plus 1. Now in place of this quadratic, we should write this over here. So this equation becomes 3x minus 2 in place of this one. 3x minus 2, 3x plus 1 equal to 0. More. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values, we should equate each bracket to 0. That is 3x minus 2 equal to 0, 3x minus 2 equal to 0, 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, we should remove minus 2, so add 2. You get 3x equal to 2. Now we should remove 3, so divide by 3. We get x equal to 2 by 3. Now here, these two equations are same, so here also we get x equal to 2 by 3. Next, here first we should remove plus 1, so subtract 1. We get 3x equal to minus 1. Now we should remove 3, so divide by 3. You get x equal to minus 1 by 3. So the x values that we got are 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. That's it. This is our answer.